Hi everyone, today I'm sharing the three-part breath with you. It's a great way to start practicing different breathing techniques. You can use it at any time. It's really wonderful to really expand the space that you're using to bring in some air. So hopefully you can see this while I'm doing it, but go ahead and take a nice seat with a long spine. You can also stand, that's fine too, if that's more comfortable for you. And then place your hands on your belly. We're going to be breathing into three areas, into the belly, into the ribs, and into the chest. Okay, so we'll take 3 deep breaths into each area, starting with the belly, moving up, and then we'll combine everything together. 3 is my favorite number. We'll do everything 3 times. Ready? Hands on your belly. And as you inhale, fill up your belly, make it feel like a balloon, so your hands are moving out. And exhale, hands come back together. Okay. Inhale, expand. Exhale, contract. And one more time, inhale, big balloon. And exhale, navel to the spine. And move your hands up to your ribs. As you inhale, feel the ribs expand forward, out, and back. And exhale, ribs come back together. Inhale, expand. Exhale, contract. One more time. Inhale, ribs out. Exhale, ribs come back in. And move your hands up to your chest, just underneath your collarbones. And as you inhale, feel your chest rise up towards your chin, very gently. Exhale, chest comes back down. It's normal for the breath to be shallower at this point. Inhale into the chest. Exhale, chest falls back down. And last time, inhale into the chest. And exhale, relax. Combine all 3 breaths. Place one hand onto the belly, one hand over your heart or on your chest. You can feel everything moving. We're going to start with the bottom and fill up to the top. And then as you're exhaling, pour out from the top to the bottom, kind of like a water pitcher. So hand on the belly, hand on the chest. As you inhale, fill up the belly, ribs, chest. Exhale out of the chest, ribs, belly. Okay, a little bit smoother this time. Inhale, belly, ribs, chest. Exhale, chest, ribs, belly. And one more time. Inhale from the bottom to the top. Exhale from top to bottom. And relax. Thank you for joining me for some breathing techniques today.